Just be happy that you are single.
It is not necessary to have a romantic partner or a girlfriend.
Self-love has become an automatic thing in their life.
Happy anti-Valentine's Day. Enjoy your life to the fullest.
While Valentine's Day is largely considered as a day to celebrate couples in love, Anti-Valentine's Day is breaking barriers and encouraging singles to embrace love. But what exactly is this Anti-Valentine's Day and how can singles celebrate love? Let's dive straight into it. Anti-Valentine's Day is a cheeky response to Valentine's Day. When couples are busy posting couple goals on Valentine's Day, Anti-Valentine's Day celebrates self-love and love with people irrespective if they are a romantic partner or not. Anti-Valentine's Day is a trend followed all around the world by singles, people recovering from breakups, or by those for who don't like the idea of Valentine's Day restricted to just heterosexual couples. Anti-Valentine's Day is observed on Valentine's Day itself by some or 15th February by others.
On 15th, we have a Barbie movie screening for 12 Dancing Princesses. It's an animated Barbie movie. And on 16th, which is Sunday, we have two events, which is one is Pajama Networking Party and the second is Soulful Soiree for all the mindfulness spiritual girls.
Over the years, concept of celebrating love has drastically evolved.
I am separated. I live single, all alone with my dogs. Love to me is like, being yourself in your worst situation where you don't need anybody.
You can love anybody in your life. It can be your parents, it can be your friends, it can be your bike, it can be football, it can be sports, it can be anything.
According to a survey done by the National Retail Federation in the US in 2024, of those not planning to celebrate the Valentine's holiday, purchasing gifts for those outside of significant others or family members continue to rise in popularity and reflects consumers' growing interest in celebrating all the meaningful relationships in their lives.
I can just do something special for my babies.
On this Valentine's Day, I'm planning to spend time with my loved ones. Those are my friends. Like we can plan a get together, we can go out stations, we can have fun.
It would be great for me to see them happy, smiling, playful, cheerful. That's Valentine's Day for me.
In the recent years, there has been an increase in the anti-Valentine's Day parties, get-together or even events hosted by clubs.
I am hosting community-led event for women only this Valentine's Day.
According to the US National Retail Federation, for those not planning to celebrate the holiday, 28% still plan to mark the occasion in some way, and the most popular ways include treating themselves to something special, followed by planning a get-together or an evening out with other single friends and family.
Self-love has become an automatic thing in their life.
I usually see to it that, I'm always happy.
Doing things which I like, spending time on my hobbies.
Getting myself some stuff which I wanted for a long time. Investing in myself.
I love to work. I'm a workaholic, I can say. I go out for shopping. I take my siblings for shopping.
While Valentine's Day was once a couple's only day, it is now turning into a day when singles can equally pamper or get pampered by their loved ones. Who needs chocolates from someone else when you can treat yourself? Anti-Valentine parties are taking center stage as the concept of love evolves. So instead of focusing on heartbreaks, this is how singles are celebrating love, self-love, friendships and fun.
You actually don't need anybody in your life to make you happy.
You can celebrate with yourself.
You can enjoy your life. You can have fun. You have the freedom to explore.
If you don't celebrate with yourself, how will you know how to celebrate with someone else?
Love yourself and you'll be your own Valentine.
What's your favorite way to celebrate being single? Do let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.